Techtonic shift. Shaping the future with innovation.
Hello again and welcome back. If you're still not subscribed, please subscribe to Techtonic Shift YouTube channel, as so much exciting content is coming soon on this channel. So today we will discuss what is ChatGPT and how you can take benefit from it and why you should care about it. So ChatGPT is a web-based AI, so artificial intelligence chatbot, and you can chat with ChatGPT about any topic. It can draft emails for you, it can summarize articles for you, it can write code for you, and so much more. Getting started with ChatGPT is incredibly easy. So today I will show you how you can create an account on OpenAI. Before that, let me show you a quick demo by prompting a thing on it. For example, you can ask the chatbot anything you want. A few examples are given already by the ChatGPT here, like explain quantum computing in simple terms and all that. So you can ask anything about any topic to him. Just you need to type your prompt here under this message box, and then it will return you the incredibly amazing answer. For example, you can ask to write an email about thanking your manager who has appreciated you in the last meeting. So simply write that text and enter it. So you will be amazed by the response it has generated. So here it is. So this is just an example. So we will be doing a lot of more exciting stuff with ChatGPT in upcoming lectures. So first of all, let's get started with by creating an account on OpenAI. So just go to openai.com, the website of OpenAI, the creators. So you will see sign up button here. Just click on it. Please remember, you will also need to enter your phone number so that ChatGPT will send you an OTP via SMS, so that you will have to enter that OTP back to their website account creation form. So apart from that, nothing is required to create the account, and it is free to use the basic services, and we will be discussing this in detail in upcoming lectures. So simply write your email here and click continue, or if you are already logged in the same browser with your other accounts like Google, Microsoft, or Apple, you can simply click on this button and it will guide you through the process. And after creating your free account, you're ready to write your first so-called prompt. After creating your free account, simply open chat.openai.com and log in with your same credentials you have created before. Once you are logged in, you will see similar dashboard where you can write your prompts which you want to send it to ChatGPT. Let's assume you are working on a mobile app development project and your client wants to have the latest status update from your site via email. You could write this email on your own, but why don't you let ChatGPT do this for you? You could just add the key information here in the message box where we send the prompts to ChatGPT. So for example, we are working on the last key features. Our project is 10% above budget and it is planned to finish in Q3. Now we have to give ChatGPT a little bit of context. So what it should do with this information, so we could just add a text like this. So we could just add a text like this. So we need a short summary for the client regarding the current mobile app project status when sending this prompt to ChatGPT now. By hitting enter, we get back this full text. We didn't ask for an email but short summary for the client to let this email like output by ChatGPT already. This text here contains all our core information so that we are working on the last key features of the mobile app project that we are above budget. Also explaining that some unexpected expenses have occurred during the development process, and it also adds information about the point in time when this project will be finished. The general style and the way it is written is very friendly and still business like. So we could almost send this email directly to our client. ChatGPT is also context aware. This means that the information sent and received within the conversation within a chat. So this is our chat here, can be referred to and considered by ChatGPT. So if I now add the client's name is James Green, for example, then without any further information, ChatGPT just uses the same email we had before. We could also come up with a subject for the email. We could add our own name, we could define the email and so on, but this is how ChatGPT works in a nutshell. Now, and this is of course only the first of many examples we will see throughout this course. As mentioned, ChatGPT is free for free. In addition to this free version, you can also get a paid version, ChatGPT Plus. We will have a look at the differences between these two versions in the next lectures. For taking this course, it doesn't matter if you're using the free or the plus version though. The course is all about learning techniques efficiently to work with ChatGPT. So everything you learn in this course applies to the free and the plus version of ChatGPT. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and sharing is caring. Bye bye.